Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the benefits of using a milk pump for young moms and why many new mothers choose to include pumping in their daily routine. For many young mothers, balancing a new baby with household responsibilities, work, or studies can be challenging. A milk pump can provide extra flexibility and help make daily life easier. One of the biggest benefits is convenience. Pumping allows milk to be collected and stored for later use, so another family member or caregiver can help with feeding when needed. Many mothers also find that pumping helps them maintain a regular routine, especially when they need to spend time away from their baby for work, school, or appointments. Another advantage is flexibility. Whether you choose a manual or an electric pump, you can select the option that best fits your lifestyle and daily schedule. Pumping can also help relieve the discomfort of overly full breasts and support regular milk removal when direct feeding is not possible. Keeping your pump clean and following safe milk storage practices are important parts of every pumping routine. Good preparation helps make each session simple and organized. Remember that every mother's journey is unique. Some mothers pump every day, while others only use a pump occasionally. The best routine is the one that works comfortably for you and your baby. With a little planning, consistency, and the right equipment, a milk pump can become a valuable tool that supports your daily routine and gives you greater flexibility as a new mom. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.